10 large eggs. Whisk like mad. 16-ounce container, small curd cottage cheese. 1 cup favorite roasted, chopped green chilies. A little flour, baking powder. A little flour, salt. 1 pound grated Monterey Jack. Dump in your flour. Mix well. Cheese, chilies, egg business, dump all in. That's it. Give a mix. Do not over mix. 1 stick of butter. After it's mixed about 3 or 4 times, just kind of incorporate. Finish mixing. Spray a pan, pour it in. It does not get really much more simpler than this for breakfast. 350 oven, 35 minutes or until done. We're gonna check it at 30 and see what that looks like. 30 minutes to the minute. Oh, give it a shaky shake. Look at that. Oh, wiggly in the middle, too loose. That's nice and firm to the touch. You can see it not moving on the outer edges. So it's nice, a little stiff, but in the middle, right here, it starts to shake. So it's a little thicker of a pan. We're gonna give it 15 more minutes. Here we go, 45 minutes. 15 more to the minute. That's it. Oh, look at that, shaky, shaky. Oh, look up. I gotta wiggle, 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 wiggle. Not a hold, not a wiggle. How'd it turn out? They've been sitting about 45 minutes. Cool down nicely. Great the next day. Great for dinner. Made for dinner and have breakfast the next day. You name it, anytime really. Put it in a tortilla. This is one of my all-time favorite dishes my mother-in-law Sandy used to make. And this tastes like her. This just tastes like a bunch of love is what it is. And it's good. Never fails, no fail, hard to mess up. I took this edge out because I wanted you to see what the center looks like. Because we know the outer edge was done, that's great. But if you spray it well enough, it doesn't stick. And there you go. There's your green chili egg puff. Cut it in little strips, put it in tortillas, make breakfast quesadillas, eat it like it is. Just pick it up and tear it up after it. I'm loving it. One of my absolute all-time favorites.